We all know talk to camera TikToks are great, and especially when they start off like very off the cuff Instagram story type feels. So this is a list I've been keeping for a few months. Literally take these and run with them. When people use these, I don't even think they were using it as a tactic to go viral, but like they just hook you right in. So when you're talking to the camera, first thing you start off by saying is, and if you take anything from this story, so it's almost like you're starting in the middle and going backwards. So they're like eavesdropping. They're like, wait, what? And then you go to the beginning. So you would say what you hope they take from that story, and then you would tell the story. Number 2, had I known what was wrong, what would you have done to fix it? Again, it feels like you're like kind of eavesdropping on someone. It immediately makes you want to be in the know of what they're talking about. Number 3, wait, have we talked about blank? Because a lot of people on TikTok don't know who you are yet. So when you do that, they're like, wait, we haven't. I don't even know who you are yet. So they stop to find out and listen. Another one, no, but lying about blank is so wrong. This is a great way to bust a myth and calling out anything that you see in your industry or space that you don't like. Another great one, so I'm on blank and I'm blank and blank. So basically that's kind of open-ended, but what that would look like is, so I'm walking through the grocery store and I see this and da-da-da. You're basically telling a story as if, again, you just plop down with a friend that you're like, oh my gosh. Or so I'm scrolling on TikTok and I see this thing, right? Again, we want to be in the know. Another one, if no one's gonna say it, then I will. That's kind of an oldie but a goodie. Just works because we want to know what you're about to say, if it's controversial or if it's just something we all agree with. That makes it even kind of funnier because it's like, no, we all think the same thing. Last but not least, so my life completely changed when I discovered blank. This is especially great for people doing TikTok shop or selling any sort of product, or if you're sharing a recipe, a hack, etc. Happy creating.